Network Entertainment.
Same stuff. I mean, we get to do a lot of rides. We get to meet a lot of people.
Yeah.
We get to try all the bikes. It's I don't know. It's kind of a bit of a dream job, you know.
Yeah.
If you love to ride, it's the best. It's so good.
Especially yung
If you love BMW.
Okay, let me start with a question. Do you dream of owning a BMW Motorrad motorcycle like King, Buck, and me? Here's a more interesting question. How does a rider go from just loving motorcycles to becoming a BMW ambassador? Sana all, di ba? Tonight on Tunay na Rider, we're talking to two riders who made that journey. The highly respected Karen Kennedy and Rod Chua. We'll dive into their
Game
origins.
na ba? Akala ko nilalagnat ka eh.
Para extra lang pala ako dito.
We'll dive into their origin stories as riders, how BMW entered their lives, and what it really means to represent a brand like BMW. And of course, what's
Chua.
happening, and of course, Rod Chua.
Chua.
What's happening in the BMW world and community today.
And that is beautiful.
Napanood mo pa yung ano?
Yes, of course.
Ah.
Nag-guest kasi sila sa sa Cool Pals.
Oh.
Okay, syempre kasama ko ngayon si Buck Pago, rider,
Hello,
trainer,
magandang gabi.
and someone who's always pushing riders to level up their skills. At syempre, King Senko,
And that is beautiful.
rider, journalist, and someone who's been covering the motorcycle scene for years. This is Tunay na Rider. Let's kickstart this episode.
Yun.
Oh,
Okay.
welcome to the show, Karen, Rod.
Thank you for having us.
So, quick background. We were at the launch of the
R12.
The Jazza
Yes.
bike. No?
Oh.
The Jazza bike, yeah.
And then nakita natin si Rod at si Karen. And we're like, hey, we should guest you guys on the show. Nawala si Jason Maligaya. Para matino, para respectable episode, diba?
Dahil dyan, gusto ko tanungin tong dalawang to. Kasi di ba brand ambassador? You may answer kung sino man mauna, no? Paano kayo nagsimula mag-ride? O paano nasimulan yung riding career nyo?
How did our riding... Okay, I can
Yeah.
start.
Yeah, go ahead.
How did my riding career start? I think I already told you this. Like, how many times have I been on the show?
Yung BMW na lang.
The
Let's specify.
BMW, okay. That actually came fairly soon after. So I started riding, I think 2017. Yeah. Midway through 2017.
To 10 years
then, yeah.
Si Rod, nagbibilang pa kilala ng abacus. Kailan ba ako nag-umpisa sa mag-ride ng BMW?
Okay lang yan. May time pa siya mag-isip. Oh, go ahead. 2017?
So 2017, I started riding.
Ah.
And then BMW was the second bike that I got that came in end of 2017.
I wonder.
S1000RR.
No, that was an R90 Scrambler.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. So that was the first BMW, and I just fell in love with it. Not only the bike, but also, I guess the community in BMW. I got to meet Hill fairly early on. Yeah. So it was very very easy to fall in love with the brand, I think. Yeah,
The great-
the bike is so good. The R90 Scrambler was so fun to use, and then the people were just really easy to get along with.
Hindi pala yung kasi una kitang nakita sa Brixton, naka S1000R
Yeah.
ka.
Yun nga that's why yun ang unang guess ko eh.
Single R, di ba? Yung
Single
yung
R. Yes.
naked.
The naked.
Right. Okay. Pang ilang BMW yun?
That was the second BMW.
Okay.
And I've still got it.
From boxer to inline 4.
Parang hindi ko na-imagine si Karen on like a chill bike. Parang hindi ko na, parang
Why?
S1000R,
Lahat
yes.
malaki.
Oo. Pero yeah, I think King is like, si King hardcore boxer fanatic yan.
Boxer.
Yes.
Oo.
I mean, any chance he has, he'll show you the tattoo.
Oo.
Yep.
So I guess yung tanong ni King, how to be you, di ba? Na si Rod, ano yung
Ikaw.
BMW origin
BMW
story
na,
mo?
yung first bike. Kasi yung first bike, medyo...
O sige nga, alamin natin ano yung first bike.
First bike, big bike actually, sa VFR 400. That was sa
Hapon.
90s, di ba? Kasi before, there's no
90s?
Kailan ka nag-umpisa mag-ride?
90s.
That's a good question. 90s?
Oh.
Yeah, in the
1890s.
1990s. Mga early and mid-90s, I started riding.
Yung microphone daw, Tito Rod.
Okay.
Yan.
Ganyan.
Okay.
Mga 90s. Na,
1990, 91, ganyan.
hindi naman, mga 92, 93.
Pinapanganak pa lang ako nung 1992, nagra-ride ka na pala.
Mga 92.
Ito BC.
And then, before kasi, ang kagandahan lang na, I tested most of the bikes. Kaso before kasi, it's all Japanese bikes. Walang European bikes.
Mga imported.
Even the imported ones are mostly Japanese. Now, marami ng...
Actually, even before you became officially a BMW brand ambassador, you were already testing and breaking in BMWs
Yes.
for Silla Hill back in the day, diba?
Yes, I do. I did mga F850 nila, ganyan. I'm the one who's breaking in their bikes.
So ano yung mga first BMWs that you were testing out back then?
Well, nakapag-test na ako ng R50, pero for the show lang yun. Pero
Lolo bike.
yung mga tinesting ko noon,
Yun ang unang BMW nito.
mga 1100 na, 1150 na GS, ganyan. Tapos mga, I think may mga ano na yan may mga smaller bikes na GS 650, mga ganun I'm not familiar with the numbers. As long as I ride it, okay lang. Ayun.
Okay. Speaking of R1150, may R1150R. Yung Roadster, si Iba dun sa basement. Baka gusto mo bilhin.
Bakit pa bibili? May nahihiram naman.
Nako.
Pang restoration project yun.
Bilhin mo na, King.
Nako, tayo dyan. Pero teka, anong first BMW bike na naging pagmamayari mo?
My own, the 1250 na.
Okay. GS.
The
GSA.
GSA 1250.
Kala ko yung mga R25 pa eh.
Since you started riding in
I think
1890.
yun lang ang naalala kong BM na bike na that I owned. Talagang it's mine. Mostly kasi demo, ganyan.
Si Rod, why buy when you can borrow?
I'm in that same vibe, you know. I feel him. Okay.
Mahirap pag sikat eh. Diba?
Iba, baka may tanong ka pa kasi curious lang naman ako sa mga unang BM na na-ride nila. Baka may tanong ka pa.
Marami. Naghihintay ako si Buck eh.
Baka may
Kasi
tanong ka.
nagtitiktok pa si Buck eh.
Hindi. Ako, gusto ko malaman kila Rod, yung yung mga paborito nilang over the years na ambassador for BMW. At ano yung mga modern bikes na paborito nyo at ano yung mga features nila bakit nyo siya paborito? Kasi ang dami na ngayon ang dami ng riding aids.
Actually,
Yeah.
si Rod, wala pang traction control,
pero
wala
malamang-
pang...
Kasi tumatanda na. Malamang to, gusto niya na yung may mga aid din.
yung pinaka-modern dati, Twin Spark, di ba?
Wow.
Wow, nag-smooth din.
Actually, ngayon,
Throughout the years, Rod.
up to now, I still prefer with the clutch. I still remove the traction control and the ABS-CBN, yan, tinatanggal ko yun.
Talaga?
Sarado na ABS-CBN.
GMA.
GMA na pala ngayon. Yan.
Sarado na yun ah.
Hindi, I parang mas gusto ko yung feel ko yung yung bike without the traction control. Although they say it's more safer, ganyan. So I use the traction control now pagka rain.
Yun.
So on a regular ride, naka-off lagi yung traction
Pag
control.
nagre-river crossing si Rod, naka-on yung traction control.
Yun,
Pero
river
anong
crossing.
modelo daw sabi ni Bak yung yung favorite mo sa kasalukuyang lineup?
Now, pinaka gusto ko ngayon, the M1000 XR.
Oh.
Yun ang for me,
1000X.
fantastic.
Yung parang sport touring.
Yeah, medyo, yun ang
Upright na touring. Kumbaga.
upright siya, ang ganda nung features niya, lahat Kasi
Actually, magaan na yun, di ba?
magaan yun. Tsaka, this bike can go slow, can go fast. Kasi may mga fast bikes na you cannot really ride it slow kasi papalya-palya. Not like this bike. If you want to ride slow, easily you can use it on a slow pace.
Pretty much yun, di ba? S1000RR engine and drivetrain.
Yes.
Tapos on an upright chassis lang.
Actually, it's an M1000RR, S1000RR.
Okay.
MS1000RR.
Right.
Na yun
Inline
ang ginagamit nila sa superbikes.
Mm.
Yun ang baga M we know that si BMW pagka naka M series ka, it's top of the line.
M division is like the performance division. Tama?
Yeah.
Okay. How about for you, ma'am? Ay, puso ba?
Akala
Okay na?
ko M mahal Mali pala.
Mahal 1,000.
Mahal sobra.
Okay na.
Yes, of course.
Si Karen, ano kayang favorite modern BMW niya tsaka feature?
I don't like this question.
It's like picking your...
Yeah.
Who's the favorite kid, ganon.
Who's my favorite dog? Ganon. I don't have kids. I have lots of dogs. Well, I also love the XR. Rod's right. It's very easy to use even if you're going through traffic and it's really slow. I love the 1300 GS because it's just so versatile. I don't get bored with it.
Yan na yung
Yeah.
Yung nag-a-adjust ng kusa yung suspension. Depende sa...
And I like that it's a bit smaller now, so it's a little bit easier to maneuver through tighter spaces. Like if you do have to go through Metro Manila traffic. I also have a 1200 GS, so that's a bit clunkier. And then I have an S1000R, which is my second BMW. I think that's just pure joy. Like it's super fun using it.
Which
So
S1000R?
I'm still not answering your question, am I?
Teka lang, anong mas gusto mong S1000R? Yung Ion na 2017 model or yung bago?
Latest.
Kasi hindi mo pa binebenta eh. There must be something.
I'm not because okay, the one that I have, which is a 2016, that is 2017 year model. It's a little bit more raw than the newer ones. So I think it's fun because of that. It's got a little bit more. It's a little bit angrier, I guess you could say.
Okay.
But the turning radius isn't as nice. Like it's
Ano nga?
very like ganyan ka lang.
It's the Euro homologation.
Yeah.
So you've got a lot. I don't know. I mean, 2016 hindi pa yung Euro. Ano yan? Euro 5 ba?
Yeah, it's not yet Euro 5. It's Euro.
So you've
Hindi
got
pa
all the
sakal.
new tech
yeah.
with the new ones, but the 2016 parang medyo mas raw talaga.
Yeah.
Even the face of that bike, parang naka ano yun,
Yes.
di ba?
Actually, I like the Inspector Gadget style headlights.
Parang nakataas yung isang eyebrow niya na gano'n. No? Oo.
Yeah, I like how it looks.
Ngayon ba, parang symmetrical na yung modernong S1 di ba?
Yes. Yeah.
Actually, kahit lahat, no? GS, lahat sila.
Even yung S1000RR, symmetrical na.
Yes.
Nawala na yung ano.
Yung kirat.
Tapos kilay.
Yung,
Yeah.
Randy Santiago headlight.
Yung doubtful look.
dati kasi magkaiba yung left and right na headlight.
Ayun.
Actually, you guys mentioned si Sir Hill a lot. No?
Yeah, of course.
Hill was OG regular talaga sa tunay na rider.
Yeah.
Sobrang, he supported lahat ng mga kalokohan ko sa motor. Di ba? Yung Ride for Light.
Yeah.
Si Sir Hill nag-support noon. 19 days kami ni Toto.
Nabanggit ba ni Hill sa mga guesting niya dito sa Tunay na Rider? Of course, wala pa ako nun, no? Nabanggit ba niya ano paborito niyang BMW bike?
Wala siyang binanggit.
Kaya, Sir Hill, mamaya magparamdam ka ka.
Di, okay na.
Sabihin mo sa kanya kung ano yung paborito.
Okay na, Sir Hill. Okay na ako.
Okay, so speaking of Sir Hill, no, I mean, that I've been riding BMW and the BMW Motorrad Philippines has been supporting all of the crazy adventures we did since 2010, right? How did you guys get, how did you guys enter the BMW Motorrad Philippines universe?
How did we enter? Well, I guess, I don't know. For me, like when I started riding,
And why?
why?
Yeah.
Okay. So I started riding BMW, and then I got into Hill would invite me to different events, test out different bikes, and then I guess when he passed on, somehow I became, I started to work with BMW Philippines. So I was working there as a Motorrad head for a couple of years. I guess that's how it kind of really, got full blown, because before that I would just use the bikes, and then I would do long rides. Hill would lend me a 1250 GS here and there.
Ganun pala yung style talaga ni Hill, no?
Yeah.
Magpapahiram ng motor, and then konti na lang na-realize mo, ba't ako pumapasok dito?
Teka, ba't sumisunod
Oo nga,
na ako?
hold on. How
Yung-
did I
yung-
get here? I'm sitting at an office
Ba't
desk
lima
now.
na yung BMW ko?
Yung one day may
May paperworks ako.
pagkapahiram sa'yo, meron ng job offer na kasama yung motor.
So,
Yun.
Yeah, and then it just went from there. I think it was, I don't know, the transition kind of just worked out, because I really I do love BMW talaga. Ever since I first started using one, so it felt kind of natural for me anyway.
Anong year yan, Karen?
That was 2021 when I first started with BMW.
Pandemic.
Yeah,
Okay.
pandemic.
I wonder, si Tito Rod kaya natin, paano ka napunta sa sa BMW
Well,
Motorrad?
sa nung old days, mga 20...
Olden days.
1920s,
olden days,
ganyan.
Wala pang BMW rito eh. So, ang may importer lang nagpapadala dito. And then, that's where I tested the bike na it's well balanced. It's fat, but it's well balanced. So, anywhere you go, madali i-maneuver yung bike. Kaso, malaki siya. I was into sports bike that time eh. Kaya, weight is matters to me, ganyan. So, and then, they came up with the S1000RR, which is killed every Japanese sports bike. As in, fastest siya, lahat, gano'n. So intriguing. And then, when they launched the 1000 XR, that's where I first tried it, the 1000 XR. So, I tried it na mga mid-2000, mga 2016. I tried it. Ang ganda nung handling niya, and then upright. So, that's where I started, no? Ganda ng BM ngayon.
Yan yung di ba? Tama ba? Yung bike dun sa sa Resident Evil.
Yes.
Yeah.
tingin mo alam ni Rod yan?
Alam mo ba yun?
Umuo lang yan.
Umuo lang ako dahil umuo kayo lahat. Umuo lang yan.
Okay na. Oo daw, sabi ni Karen.
Oo, yun na yun.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
Yeah, so, okay yung XR na yun. Then, it's new. Yung time ninyo, parang new design siya. Although, syempre, I would love the Boxer engine pa rin for BMW. Kasi yun ang trademark niya eh.
Yep.
Diba? Pero sa Boxer engine, diba? BMW.
Si King, meron yung tattoo eh. Xiangjiang 750.
Yung Chinese BMW, sabi. Hindi, R90S yun. Yung sa akin.
Kasi China yung parts niya eh.
German yung tattoo ko, hindi yung Chinese clone. Question.
Okay, so yan. Paano ka napasok sa BMW? Yun ang tanong eh.
Yun ba? As an ambassador, parang syempre, I'm always there. I always inquiring about the bikes, ganyan. I used to have the 1250, ganyan. So, I'm into, syempre, medyo technical yung gusto kong malaman. How does it work? On and off the road, ganyan. And then, siguro, napansin nila ako na, uy, may tatanga-tangang nandyan, no? Kunin nyo na nga. Ayun. So,
Tsaka masarap yung donut dun. Pinupunta-punta mo yun.
Nako, yun lang
The cookies,
pala.
the
Pareho
cookies.
kayo ni Bak. Okay, si Bak, tumatambay doon kasi
Hindi, ako kape.
masarap yung donut,
Kape.
masarap yung kape.
Yung black coffee
Diba?
doon.
So if you hang out there long enough, they'll hire you.
Sino yan? Si Jervis ba yun? Bumibili rin ng donut dun.
No, si Rod is super humble. Medyo OG talaga si Rod. Rod is a riding icon sa Pilipinas. So,
Wala pang BMW sa Pilipinas. OG na yan.
Anong taon ba pumasok ang BMW Motorrad dito sa bansa?
Officially?
Yeah.
2011?
hindi ko na...
Talaga? So, hindi yung kay Han Manila
I don't know
nun,
actually.
Hindi siya...
Official yun, kay Han.
Motorrad.
Yun, siya lang ang nabibilan mo ng parts ng BMW before.
pero hindi sila official distributor, sila Han.
Sila yung unang distribute dito.
So yung mga panahon pa ng mga unang
Pero mga
R50, mga
R60,
ganun.
Panahon pa nila yun.
Hindi.
And
Kasi
then,
panahon pa ni Chiquito, di ba? Naka-BMW na ang Makati Police eh.
no, si FPJ. Yung tito ko, architect ni FPJ. He gave him, after he finished his house in Green Hills, binigay yung R15 niya sa tito ko.
Tsaka R75, known si FPJ na may R75. Yung parang may maleta na panniers.
Kasi magandang yung history ng BMW sa
Yes.
Pilipinas. Sino yung mga
Famous
icons.
personalities
Oo,
who used like
naka-BMW.
Rod Chua, Karen Kennedy,
Oo.
FPJ.
yung mga ganung motor, yung mga R50 nung time na yun, pag papansinin mo, yung preno nila drum brake front and
Yeah,
rear.
yeah.
Kasi interchangeable siya. Pwede mo
Yung
pagpalitin
gulong.
yung gulong harap tsaka likod.
Oh, didn't know
Same
that.
stopping power. Sa R50, front and rear. Same stopping power ba yun?
I think so, drum brake eh.
I
It doesn't stop.
I tried to use the R69, yung first taste ko sa BMW. Nung pumipreno na ako, parang lalo bumibilis eh. Nakakatakot eh.
Baka two-stroke lang nakuha mo.
So that's kind of how you got brought in. I mean, the fact that an icon like Rod was hanging out and was passionate about the brand also. I guess yun ang core.
Kape.
Yun ang core. Really having interest and passion about the brand. Hindi
Immerse.
ka vlogger. Hindi
no.
naman kayo vlogger na, oy guys, nandito ako sa BMW.
Hindi.
Sarap ng kape dito.
Yung kung sino yung magbibigay, dun tayo. Kakape, di ba? Mga
Ano naman
sip-sip.
kami, medyo pure naman yung pagmamahal
Intention.
namin sa brand.
Pure intentions.
Pure intent.
Yung mga vlogger kasi sip-sip kung kanino didikit eh.
Yun ang dahilan wala kang sponsors pa.
Oo.
Curious ako, Iba. Teka lang, hindi ko alam kung pwede tong tanong na to eh. We can edit this out. May BMW bike ba na ayaw nyo?
Wag na natin.
Wag yan.
No.
Okay.
Bakit ikaw meron?
That's a good question.
I guess the parallel twins na adventure bike. Not much. Yung mga F750, ganun. Mali tignan sa akin eh. Mababa yung seat size.
Baliktad. Okay,
Gundo
actually,
kayo.
let's keep this in. Ako, I have had dami akong well, not the parallel twin,
Nagka-F650
but I had an
ka.
F650 GS, yung 2000, that was like a 2001. Yung blue, di ba?
Ganda yun,
Anong
And then I
GS?
had a Twin Spark. Yung hindi pa Twin Spark, meron ako noon. And then nagkaroon ako ng Twin Spark. Then nagkaroon ako ng Dakar. Yung GS650 Dakar. I love that bike.
Yeah.
Sobrang sisi ako na binenta ko yon. Pero then I leveled up to the GS12.
12 na.
Boxer ba
Ginamit.
yun yung mga unang binanggit mo?
Hindi. Ano
Hindi,
yun?
single.
Single. Thumper.
okay.
Ganda nun.
And then yun, yung R1150. Yan na lang yung... hindi. Meron na ako yung sinishare namin ni Mark. Yung GSA.
R1250.
R1250. So, ako happy ako with all of those bikes. I've never had an F900. or
Yung
like a-
F900, I'm really
Now?
curious. Ganda.
Maganda yung
Ang
features nun. And it's
Rally
light.
bike yung dating.
Yes.
So, okay. What does the role of a brand ambassador of BMW entail? Karen.
Well,
Ano yung mga responsibilities?
obviously we have to represent the brand by doing rides and events. So we just have to be visible. Social media, like physical presence at different events. Get involved with the community. Just sort of like make sure that BMW is just seen well.
Visible.
Yeah.
Do you also like organize events? Do you have to?
Sometimes we'll arrange rides with different groups. So, because we really want to reach out to a lot of the members of the riding community, so that we can all come together. So we do try to reach out to different clubs or different groups, invite them to go on rides or invite them to join our bigger rides or bigger events. Sometimes we'll do smaller rides with them as well, so that it's sort of like our way to connect with more and more people.
Nako, lamang na lamang si Rod dyan. Kasi si Rod parang barangay captain ng buong riding community.
Hindi naman. Actually,
Everywhere you go,
Hindi naman.
kilala si Rod.
Kaya pala,
Actually,
member ng Club PK.
Kaladkarin na lang ako.
Ikaw, Rod, ano yung role mo as
Yun
a
na nga,
brand ambassador?
We promote the brand. Definitely, we promote the brand. And then, yun na nga, bawal ka na makipag-away. ganyan.
Nalungkot ka ba dun sa bawal
Medyo,
na?
bawal ka na maging
Ito yung
kamote.
ano.
Ganyan.
You're never too old to change and evolve, no? Si Rod, mature,
Yan,
respectable.
learning everyday yan.
Yeah, so
Oo.
bawal
Kanina nga,
na.
nagmamat na eh.
Part ba ng role nyo na na mambudol na, uy, wala ka pang BM try mo to.
Yeah.
But we don't do that. Parang hindi naman
But not
namin
in a bad way,
ino-offer. Hindi namin ino-offer, "Uy, bumili kang BM."
Yeah.
Actually, we support naman other brands eh.
Yep.
Diba? That's one thing's nice with the BMW. Hindi sila yung, hindi, talaga BMW hindi eh. Baga parang we want everyone, any brand to experience BMW also. Then tell us. You tell us if it's a value for money, ganyan. Or how does it feel riding the BMW bike and the others? Wag na yung others. Diba? Parang yun ang ano namin. The main goal is we want people to experience how the BMW parang what we experience with that brand. Diba? So like now we're trying to help out the community of teaching new riders, even the old riders kasi we know naman riding a motorcycle is a
Yung new
never
riders, madaling turuan. Yung mga matandang rider, yun ang mahirap. Tigas
Matigas
ang ulo eh.
Oo, pero kasi we have to understand also, riding a motorcycle is a never-ending lessons and learnings. So we have to learn pa rin up to now. Kung basta tingin mo magaling ka na, malapit ka na.
Malapit ng ano.
Malapit ka na matapos.
Napapansin ko si
Diba? So you never say na, alam ko na lahat yan. Imposible na alam mo lahat yan. Especially now, if you look at the social media, iba na yung how they use their bikes eh.
Oo, lahat ng mga nasa online, ang galing magmotor eh.
Oh, mausay mag-banking, matulin.
Yeah, pero reality yun. Pinag-uusapan natin. So, it's more of survival, diba? So, yun ang inano.
Napapansin ko si Rod habang tumatagal, parang si Toto na magsalita.
Oo nga. Di ba? Parang mas chill na si Rod eh.
Idol
Tulad
ko yun
dati,
eh.
no?
Si Toto parang conserve energy all the time. Si Rod parang
Part yata ng coaching ng BMW yung gano'n
medyo may class na. Medyo.
Pati yung vocabulary, pareho na eh.
Oo. Okay. What are the perks naman of being a BMW brand ambassador?
Well,
Oh, Rod.
sa akin, we ride and then sometimes they spend our riding, 'di ba? Parang binabayaran nila yung travel namin, 'di ba?
Tapos nakaano ka pa, no? Puro BMW from head to toe.
Hindi naman. We buy it naman. Pero
Okay.
sa some, or for example, we have the perks na
Siyempre,
we have,
parang salary deduction yun, di
Hindi,
ba?
we have
Siyempre, may
ano
perk
na-
yung gear.
we have a gear.
Oo,
They-
allowance.
they issued us a gear, all BMW gears.
Mm.
So that is we use it for official rides, ganyan. And the bikes that they let us use and then option to buy. So yun.
Yeah.
Tsaka Motorrad
We
Days
get
sa
to
Europe.
try all the bikes.
That's Karen's ano.
Kaya rin ba yan?
I
something else.
missed out kasi last year yun eh. So wasn't able to go.
Oh, you, Karen, what are the perks for you?
Perks for me, well, same stuff. I mean, we get to do a lot of rides. We get to meet a lot of people.
Yeah.
We get to try all the bikes. I don't know. It's kind of a bit of a dream job, you know.
Yeah.
If you love to ride, it's the best. It's so good.
Yeah. Especially yung ano.
If you love BMW.
yung,
Oh yeah.
I love riding. I think that's
Yeah.
the core
Yeah.
with Karen and Rod. Hindi sila yung
Pretentious.
vlogger.
Hindi
and
pretentious.
ano,
But-
more of we want to meet a lot of riders.
Tuwing nagra-ride, every day nagra-ride itong dalawa eh. That's the thing. Every
naman.
day, every time I see
Every day.
I see Rod, siguro 9 out of 10 times or more, naka two wheels yan. Diba? It doesn't matter what kind of two wheels. Palagi si Rod in my mind, naka two wheels. Si Karen
yes,
rin. Ang layo ng commute nito ha.
Yes.
Ang layo.
Laguna to wherever.
Oo.
Laguna
Maging
to
neighbors
anywhere.
kami eh.
Kami ano,
Oh yeah.
Palaging
we're-
naka two wheels.
my family is more comfortable me riding two wheels than four wheels eh.
Bakit?
For the longest time kasi I've been to the motorcycle, no. Kaya parang feeling ng wife ko, I'm more safe than riding a bike than a car. Kasi iba rin
ganun
ang
ako.
sabi ng wife ko, iba definition ko daw ng bumper ng kotse. Yung bumper binabangga ko daw. But the bike,
Dapat.
ay, sabi nila, bumper.
Kaya nga
tinawag
bumper
na
tawag eh.
Diba? Kaya yun nga yung ano dun eh.
Makes sense.
Eh, yung bike,
Pag tumama, yun na yun.
yung bike, I protect the bike. Parang, she knows that I love riding. She knows. And then,
Hindi ako, nasistress ako pag nakakotse eh. Pag nakamotor, sobrang relaxed ako.
ang problema ko, laki ako maaga pagka nakamotor. Ba't nandito na ako kagad?
Ako pag nakakotse, akala ko kasya pa rin dun sa space ng bike.
Ako
the
minsan
problem.
Kaya
ganun
kung
ah.
tama yung sa'yo.
So, yun. I mean, again, thanks for sharing your stories. At its core, to be a BMW brand ambassador, you really, really have to love riding. You got to do it, whether you get paid to or not, whether you have a
Yes.
brand or not. And that passion comes out in
Yeah.
what you guys do. Everything else is kind of like a bonus na.
Yes.
Yeah.
Meet a lot of people talaga. Well, different kind of people, pero it goes with it eh.
So this year, magmo-Motorrad Days ka na.
There's no Motorrad Days this year. Next year.
Oh.
But we will
Yes,
will.
but we will have this year
have Motorrad Days here.
in the Philippines.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so what are the plans?
Oh,
Okay.
the
Wait,
plans?
let me-
What
let
are
me
you
crack
guys
out my
what are you
notes.
I
guys
think we
busy
have
with?
to attend those events.
Ano yung mga events? Buti pa si Karen, may assignment.
Yeah, because,
oh.
because
may
Rod,
notes.
I
parang,
will
oh, we have to go to
forget.
the events. Di ba? Si Karen, ano yung mga events?
Hindi marami, pero
well, there's a lot of things to look forward to.
launching of 450.
Yeah, the
Oh, the 450.
Yeah, upcoming
Uy.
product launches. So yeah,
Kailan yung
a lot of people
450?
are looking forward to that. No, it'll be coming this year. So there's the F450 GS, the R1300 RS.
RS
and
more
RT?
of the-
Oh.
So those are the
that one is a very nice bike.
yeah, those are the
Upright
sports touring
It's a
type of
sports
bikes.
touring bike now with wings.
Boxer.
So they're boxer,
Boxer,
engines,
yeah.
yeah.
It's a 1500,
They're boxer.
but with wings.
So
Amazing.
F900 GS and R12. R12 and R1290. There's promos ongoing right now. So,
Rod Macano.
now's a good time.
The R12, less than
Si
a
Karen na
million.
yung itatanong.
The R12 now is less than $1 million.
Oh,
Okay.
998.
Yeah.
2,000 pesos less.
Yeah. Of course, there's going to be a track day. So BMW is
Yeah,
going to be doing a
track
track day.
Because last year
soon.
was
Last year was very successful. So
track day, private. Then
and along with that, we will also have a paddock.
yeah,
Actually, it was because my first time ever doing the track was when BMW sponsored the California Superbike School.
that was before, yes.
Oh,
with, no.
Sir Hill. Oo.
Yeah.
Yung pinili ko pa yung GS 700.
Ah, talaga?
Andun ka na. Hinagano ka. Hindi ka pa nag-1,000.
Yeah, we have our own paddock.
So it's good to see BMW back in the
CIS,
tracks. No?
Yeah.
Oh,
And then most of the BMW owners can use the paddock for free as long as they make a schedule.
Oh,
when
wow.
they go.
Perk
ganda
yun.
nun, ah.
Yeah, that's the perks of
Yes.
the BMW na.
So-
For example, you own a BMW, you wanna try or you wanna go to the track. So instead of nandun ka lang sa mga gilid-gilid, you can borrow the paddock.
Mag-chill ka, palamig ka doon. Ganon.
Yeah, the paddock has its own has its own lounge. Diba? You can rest there, and then downstairs, sa ground floor, there's bikes and cars that you can park your bike.
There's also some upcoming events that our BMW is taking part of. So there's the FJ Moto Mountain Cross, which is happening
Lapit na.
in a few weeks, no? In
Yeah.
Mindanao.
Si Jack yata kasama sa BMW.
Jack is
Oo.
joining, yeah.
Yeah.
And Patrick Orbe.
Patrick Orbe.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah,
Yep.
they're teammates.
Their teammates. Then the next one is the Club 200 endurance race as well.
Yes.
So
CIS.
that'll be at
CIS,
CIS.
yes.
So that's happening on April 18, I think.
Yeah, April 18.
I don't know if I think it's that
That's right,
weekend.
April 18.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah. And then there's also the Touratech travel event coming up.
Uy.
That's gonna be
that's
March
happening
21,
next
22.
week.
Saan?
Next week.
In Pangasinan.
Yeah.
Pangasinan. Okay.
Yeah.
Masungit yung ano nun eh, head.
Oo.
Yeah.
And there's a
Palagi
very,
nakasimangot yun si Alvin.
the one, the Enduro Park.
The Enduro. So the BMW Enduro Park.
Na-mention ni Boss Jacob
Meron na
yan.
kung saan yun.
Yeah, but it's
Ideally,
still
we have the...
Mamaya.
Off the record.
yeah. But that's coming as well, and so look forward to seeing training that'll be coming up soon. So BMW rider
on and off
training.
the road.
Yeah.
Jam-packed ang kalendaryo ng
Thank you,
BMW.
Yes.
Karen and Rod. It's never been a better time to be a BMW rider, and it's never been a better time to be a BMW brand ambassador. There's so much happening. So, thanks BMW Motorrad for supporting Tunay na Rider, and we'll catch you on the next one. Ride hard, ride safe, ride Tunay.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.